10 features of a highly advanced B2B flight booking engine. Present the best flight deals. Easy sign-ups. Complex itinerary management. Proper agent-wise reports. Customer satisfaction. Multiple payment methods. Easy and faster to implement. High performance. Reliability. Covers a wide range of flights. 8 benefits of the next-generation B2B flight booking engine. Increases sales. Increases customer base. Gives more choices. Saves times and money. Low operational cost. Increases business efficiency. Save efforts. Strong agent network tracking. Connect your travel website with the best B2B flight booking engine. Access OneRees is a private label B2B booking portal that has all the discussed features. The increasing scope of the B2B flight booking portal. India, Malaysia, Canada, Saudi Arabia, UAE, United States.